I misread it, but it says it's a What's up, y'all? I am back with another video, and this is on another wig unit, so let's get into it. So the wig that I am currently wearing on my head is by Sensationnel Empress, and it is a lace wig, and it is called Jocelyn. So I will show you how the picture looks on the website, and I really do like this color. This is a T4 mauve color. It's an ombre. Like I said, this is a Jocelyn. I got it in the shade T2/mustard. It's a bright yellow. I guess it is kind of mustard like. It's a little brighter than mustard a little bit, but it still gives mustard vibes. It is an ombre type style, and I think they did a good job with fading it from black to yellow. So now I purchased this from SAMSBEAUTY for $29.99, but it is being sold on other websites such as Elevate Styles and Diva Tress. Now this wig comes with 3 clips. It comes with 2 on the side, front side, and then it's 1 in the back. It comes with 2 adjustable straps. I don't have the straps attached because I have braids that are a little bit fluffier than normal, but this wig is still not tight even though I have some chunky braids in my head, so that's a good thing. So it's big head friendly. This is a synthetic hair, but it can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The hair is not silky at all. It's kind of coarse like. It's not my favorite texture. It's not coarse like the kinky straight or anything like that. It's just like it feels like kind of Barbie like hair. I don't like that, but it looks fine. I just don't like the way it feels. It feels kind of, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know, I just don't like the way it feels, but it does look good, so I guess that's a pro. It does tangle a lot, but it's a curly wig, so I wouldn't suggest just combing it anyway. I did because I brushed it because the curls were too separated for me and I wanted them to look more in sync, so I did brush it a little bit, but I kind of messed it up. I'm not the greatest at curly wigs, but I'm trying, okay? I'm getting better day by day. It did get tangled. It does tangle and it does frizz up. Shedding, I have, oh yeah, it is moderate shedding on this wig. Nothing that's crazy like, but it is $30, so you have to figure out if that's a deal breaker for you with the $30 wig. And it's long hair, so it's not a shocker, but I'm just letting you know it does shed. Now this parting is a 5-inch parting, and I will insert a clip of the parting on my head. It's 5-inch parting and it's a deep parting. I did tweeze it a little bit. I added some powder to it because I'm starting to learn about blending it in with my natural part. My natural part is kind of wide, so I'm just learning day by day how to blend that, but I have been tweezing more and more wigs, so I did tweeze this part, probably not as much as I should have, but I didn't want to over tweeze it, so I just added some powder with the brush to make it look like it's a little bit wider than it is as well, because I just didn't want to keep tweezing and mess something up. The problem that I have with this unit is the advertisement. I misread it, but it said that it's a free part lace wig. That's what's in the title right here. It says free part lace wig. And so I took that to mean that, okay, it's lace up in the front and you just part it, you know, wherever you want it to go. But no, that's not the case. This is a shift wig. So if you look right here, this is a picture right here and it says shift for 3-way parting. I shifted this for 3-way parting. I shifted it to the left side because that's where I usually like my parts. And shift, okay, this side was shorter than this side when I shifted it to the left. So on this model, it has it so that it's the same length. So with every picture, it's a different parting. Every picture, the hair is the same length on both sides. And I did that. I shifted it to the left and it was longer on the left side and short on the right side. So I don't like that. I don't like it. It's not a free lace. So if you go and purchase this, please understand it's not no part 3 different ways. It's a shift wig. So just like you can shift any other wig, you can shift this wig. And I had longer hair on one side than the other when I shifted it, so I don't like that at all. I feel like it kind of can be misconstrued easily. It can be misunderstood or misinterpreted when you say it that way, when you advertise it that way. That's all I have. It does tangle. It is big head friendly. It sheds moderately, and I think this is a gorgeous color. I think this color looks bomb on my skin tone. I definitely think this is a bomb color on brown skin tone. So color, I would wear this again because of the color. Would I recommend it? Yeah, if you want to try out some color. They do have some other pretty colors too. They have T1B/Periwinkle, which is like a little dusty lavender shade. They have T2/Vintage Rose, which is like a deeper mauve shade, reddish mauve shade. They have ash gray, dark teal, dusty rose, and mauve. So it's so many different colors. So if you want to really, and this color right here is so bomb, this mauve color. If you want to try out colors, I think this would be a good buy for you. So let me know what your thoughts are on this wig. Let me know if you like this color on me. See, this side felt right. Like, this did right. This side did good. But I don't know what happened with this side. Like, I don't know. I need to stop. No, I like it. But this side looks good. But this side just started acting up. So I just started twisting it like this. And then just let it fall. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. I will provide the link in the description bar below to the wigs, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.